Burlington Economic Development Corporation is shaping Burlington's growth with a focus on creativity, innovation, talent, and culture. This evening, BEDC is pleased to present its High Five Award for Business Expansion to L3 Westcam.
Westcam builds a set of stabilized turrets that allow multiple sensors to go through high-powered telescopes and point at the same spot on the ground all the time in a very stabilized fashion. And those get used by New York Police Department or by Coast Guards around the world or by Transport Canada or the New York Port Authority or Air Force, Army, and Navy units. We build those and sell them worldwide. Westcam consists right now of about 1,200 people in 4 different locations. About 650 of them are here in Burlington. The Burlington facility is our largest facility with the most people, and it's also the most rapidly growing. And last year it grew by a whopping 40%. We're actually growing faster than the market is. There are actually many ways in which it pays to be a part of Burlington. And there's a wide range of very talented, very well-educated people here in Burlington, and without them there's no way that we could do what we do. There are also a wide range of educational institutions, colleges and universities in the area that we draw from. This is a very cultural area, and that helps make it a nice place to be, and it helps to recruit and retain people. So there's a lot of things that attract people and keep them in the Burlington area.